Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Samsung Galaxy Xpress printer, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable or how to disable key sounds. So to do it, first we need to enable printer, then open menu, scroll right, find here system setup, click OK, choose machine setup, scroll right, and here you will see, also sorry, go back, here you need to see sound and volume, click OK, key sound, and here you can enable it or disable. And now, for example, I have enabled key sounds, and as you can see, here I have enabled keyboard sounds. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to the ABBA channel, and bye. See you.